From Route 66 to Lake Tahoe shore, each state a story we adore. We adore Las Vegas nights and Florida days, Alabama's warmth and Reno's haze. In our rolling home we stake our claim across the map, different but the same. Wykoffs adventure.
Man, what a beautiful sight this is here in Utah, right here. I'm gonna go take the side roads right here. Highway 70 is over there. I'm gonna take these side roads. See where these roads take us. Share the road with four-wheelers. That's what's up. That's what I'm talking about. 30 mile an hour. I guess you can park on the side of the road and take a trail. That's a rock trail. I guess you can climb the rocks, do some rock climbing. I guess we're in Fremont Indian State Park. A lot of trails over here. The side of those mountains, man. Straight rocks. This is most probably where we'll see some mountain goats. Oh, there's a teepee up here. It's the visiting center, visitor center. Oh, teepee. I'm gonna have to come back and check that out sometime. So we're in Utah. Just beautiful. Take a little walk over there. I guess there's a little creek right here. Yeah, I guess people just park and go walk. There has to be something back here in these rocky areas. Picnic area, cabins over here. Okay, so you got a picnic table over here, a cabin where you can, I guess, go to the bathroom. Right here. Wow. Look at that. Right here on the side of the road. And then you can park your cars and go for a hike. So I'm going to have to try to find me some hiking boots. Something that's lighter than my working boots. And maybe go take a hike and see what's out there. Sam Stowe Campground is right here. Wow, cool. Yeah, there's a RV park back there. Huh. Right in the middle of these. I guarantee you, they don't get no wind in that area. Or most likely won't get no service either. Wow. There's the Crickety Creek. And I mean service as in cell service. They'll definitely get some Starlink for sure. Man, so cool. You can hear the birds chirping. Springtime is in full effect now. I believe this snowy season is over. Wow. One thing we just found out a couple days ago, that in Utah, that they have flash floods here in Utah. I would have definitely liked to known that. Oh, there's a trail right there. Look at that rock just sitting right there. Definitely would have been like to know that Utah is a place where it rains a lot and they have flash floods. So in an RV, you don't want to have that, you know. That guy has a bed on the top. So you can just park right here, take a trail. Wow, there's a cave up there. Oh man. Yeah, we're gonna definitely have to come back. Yep. We got to come back. Just wanted to share this drive with you guys. You know, give you the sights and the seas. We have to drive about an hour to get into town, so I had to go into town real quick. Not really real quick, but a long bit. And then I saw this on the side of the road, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take the scenic route and give you guys a killer view. Wow. Man, that is just spectacular. These rocks just come right next to this road. Man. Yeah, if you're a hiker and you like to adventure out in the wilderness, I would say Utah. And if you like ATVs and side-by-sides, I would definitely recommend Utah to be a place to visit. Place to visit, you know. Just beautiful. Just blinking. That rock right there, they fell down. Look at those rocks, they fell. Oh man. This is a falling rocks right here. Wow, just spectacular. Spectacular. Alright, so that is that location right there. Oh, tree down. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Wanted to drive on through, you know, the scenic route. I got about another while to get back to camp. But man, that is just, I mean, just having this all around you is just crazy. Adventures for real. But we only got 2 days off at a time, so it's like when we take our 2 days, you know, we just got to go out and do. And then if I have time to go check out something, I'm just going to check it out. But just so you guys know, we'll be going to Vegas for our next 2 days off. Wow, look at this. This is an ATV trail right there. I think me and Nick are a little epic. So any trails like that, we're not gonna do. But anyhow, like I said, we're going to Vegas for our 2 days off. We're gonna go down there, check out Vegas for a little bit, make a video in Vegas for you guys. This will be a short little video for you guys before we head to Vegas. But yeah, I really hope that you guys are loving the channel, loving the different places that we go to, and checking it out. I do want to plan on going live, so just bear with me. You know, work does come first, so I have to work, you know. So I have to do what I have to do before anything. So just please, you know, I gotta figure out where I'm going, because now I'm out in the middle of nowhere. I took the side road and ended up way off the beaten path. But anyhow, like I said, I'm going to do everything I possibly can to go live, bring you guys live footage. But if I can't, I'm going to bring you guys some kind of video, some kind of thing. So again, right here, Wykoffs family to yours at home. Wykoffs Adventures is out.